Hi Ian, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier on the phone today, and as promised, here's just a quick 5-minute video to go over how to get new web leads just from your website alone, as well as discuss your overall presence on the internet today. So to start, I'm going to talk about 3 aspects that Google looks for when ranking different websites along their platform. And those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. When I talk about content, I mean anywhere on your website where content and text is displayed. I'm going to tell you why this is so important, okay? Let's look at an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So knowing that, Google does a sweep every few weeks and finds websites with good quality content and naturally moves them up the rankings, all right? So knowing that Google loves content, let's have a look at your site. So I see that you have some good descriptions. And you have a decent amount, but not a ton. So knowing what we know that Google loves a lot of content, I'm going to recommend you have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your web page alone. This is going to do 2 things for us. A, it's going to get you found by Google whenever it does that sweep of the internet. And B, it's going to allow us to put keywords in that we want you to rank for. With that said, on every additional page, we typically want anywhere between 5 and 750 words of text. By doing this, we also get to get found for more keywords because we get to put specific keywords that we want to be found for, as well as more content on our site also appeases Google in the fact that it loves content, right? So again, the more content we have on our site, the better off we're going to be, and the higher in the rankings Google is going to rank us. So just to show you your competition, I show you this because this is Advanced Carpet Cleaning, and they're currently on page 1 of Google. And you can see that they don't have much content, right? So by you outranking them on content, that's going to naturally push you ahead of them on that platform, which is obviously what we're going for. I'm going to quickly take you here to Ahrefs, and this just shows me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet currently. And as you see, you're only getting about 1 person coming to your website every month. That can be due to a couple factors, but I'm going to start by talking about your keywords that you're ranking for. If we have a look here, you can see that you're already on the middle of page 2 on every keyword that you're ranking for. And what do we know about this day and age? We know that people do not rarely go beyond page 1 to find what they're looking for. Unless someone specifically was looking for your business title, you're being lost in a lot of the searches that are going on in your area. So again, getting this quality keywords into the text on your website is going to be crucial for ranking for those different search options. I'm going to draw your attention here to this UR and DR number. This UR is directly related to citations, and I see that you're doing pretty well. But when I take us to a search for any specific keyword, let's try carpet cleaning Louisville, Kentucky. The first thing we see here is the Google map, right? And right off the bat, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business just from being visible alone. Now, that's what every business owner wants, right? We want our business name and information to be visible and in front of as many people as we can. So getting a top spot on this GMB is going to be crucial to getting you new clients as well as getting people directed to your website. So how do we get to the top of this? Through citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. Think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And so by doing this, that's going to drive you to the top of this list as well as drive this UR number up. Now, why are these numbers important? Well, one thing that most people don't know is Google loves these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And when that is achieved, it almost gives you a sense of stability within the Google platform. So that's obviously the direction we want to go. Let's lastly look at these backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is anywhere that your business's website is visible and clickable on another business website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good, trusted, referring domains to put our backlinks on is going to throw a lot of influence to our website. And when we get a lot of influence from trusted sites, this DR number is going to go up. Again, helping us to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio here. Well, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just give me your thoughts about this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, obviously I'm available. But that's all I have for now, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.